Google I/O 2025 just wrapped up, and it felt like a defining moment in the evolution of technology. Google announced a new era of AI, where real-time intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream, but something that's happening right now. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming the foundational layer of the entire tech ecosystem. So let's dive into the biggest announcements, because this year's I/O wasn't just impressive, it was transformative. If you're passionate about the future of AI and innovation, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth updates and insights. This video is also available with subtitles in multiple languages. Just turn them on from the video settings for a better viewing experience. There's a lot to cover, so let's get straight into it. At Google I/O 2025, two new AI models took the spotlight: Gemini 1.5 Pro and Gemini 1.5 Flash. Gemini 1.5 Pro is designed for deep, complex tasks with up to 1 million tokens of context. Meanwhile, Gemini 1.5 Flash is optimized for speed and efficiency, perfect for fast summarization, captioning, and responsive applications. Both models are already being rolled out across Google products and are available to developers via API. If you'd like to support the channel and help us continue creating valuable content, you can now use the thanks button right below the video. And while Gemini 1.5 showed us how far AI models have come in terms of language and performance, the next announcement took things even further, introducing an AI that can see, hear, and understand the world around it. Let's talk about Project Astra. At Google I/O 2025, one of the most impressive and futuristic demos was Project Astra. This isn't just another chatbot or assistant. Project Astra is a real-time, multimodal AI system designed to see through a camera, understand the environment, and respond instantly, using both vision and language together. In the live demo, Astra was able to recognize objects and scenes in real time. This wasn't scripted or preloaded. It showed how far AI has come in real-world awareness and live responsiveness. What makes Astra truly unique is its contextual memory. It can recall what you said or showed it earlier in the session, making it feel more like a real assistant, not just a prompt and reply model. While the full rollout is still in development, this glimpse into Astra shows us what the next generation of AI will look like. AI that doesn't just talk, but observes, listens, remembers, and understands. And speaking of understanding, Google isn't stopping at vision and memory. They're weaving AI into the very tools we use every day. Let's look at how Gemini is transforming Search, Gmail, and Docs. A Gemini isn't just powering new models or impressive demos, it's being embedded directly into the tools millions of people use every day. In Gmail, Gemini can read through long email threads, extract key decisions, and even draft full replies, customized to your tone and intent. In Google Docs, it works like a live editor, helping you write faster, improve clarity, and rephrase text with just a prompt. But the biggest shift, Gemini is now part of Google Search. With the rollout of AI overviews, search results no longer just show you links. They offer synthesized, context-aware answers to your questions. So instead of digging through 10 blue links, you get a tailored response based on Google's understanding of your intent. It's a major change to how people find and consume information. Please note, as of now, AI overviews are only available for users in the United States. A global rollout is expected, but no official timeline has been shared yet. And while Gemini is transforming how we write, search, and communicate, its impact doesn't stop at the browser. In fact, the entire Android experience is being redesigned with AI at its core. Let's take a look at how Android 16 is becoming the world's first truly AI-native operating system. Android 16 marks a major leap forward. It's the first version of Android built from the ground up to be AI native. This means AI isn't just an app or a feature. It's baked directly into the operating system. With Circle to Search, users can highlight anything on their screen: text, images, or even video. and get instant answers powered by Gemini. The system also includes, and it all happens on the device, thanks to improved performance and optimized Gemini integration, so your data stays local and private. Google isn't just adding AI to Android, they're transforming Android into a smart, adaptive layer that learns from how you use your phone. This is no longer about tapping and typing. It's about interacting with your device through natural language, visuals, and intent. But AI doesn't just live on the phone. Let's talk about the power behind it all. Google's new generation of custom-built AI chips. Behind all of these innovations lies one key factor: infrastructure. At I/O 2025, Google introduced the latest version of its custom AI chips, TPU v5P. These chips are designed to handle massive workloads and support the training and deployment of advanced models like Gemini Ultra and beyond. Compared to previous generations, TPU v5P delivers higher efficiency, faster training times, and better scaling across Google's cloud data centers. But this isn't just about performance. It's about owning the full AI stack, from silicon to platform to user experience. While other companies rely heavily on third-party chips like NVIDIA GPUs, Google is building its own AI foundation, tailored to the specific needs of large-scale models. This approach gives them more control, more speed, and better optimization at every level. And with AI becoming more deeply embedded in products like Android, Workspace, and Search, this infrastructure matters more than ever. Now that we've seen the powerful infrastructure that's making all of this possible, it's time to bring things down to earth. Because some of Google's biggest announcements aren't just ideas. They're already live. Let's take a closer look at what features and tools are available starting today, right now. While much of what we've seen at Google I/O 2025 points to the future, some of the biggest changes are already here. As of today, May 21st, the following features are officially available. Gemini 1.5 Pro and Flash models, now accessible via the Gemini API and actively integrated into Workspace apps like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Gemini is your personal assistant on supported Android devices, replacing the classic Google Assistant with a more advanced conversational model. Android 16 AI features begin rolling out today for select Pixel users, including Circle to Search, AI wallpapers, on-device summaries, and context-aware replies. If you're in the US, you may already be seeing these changes in action. If not, don't worry. Google has promised a global rollout in the months ahead. And now that we know what's live, let's talk about why all of this matters and how it will shape the future of how we interact with technology. So what does all of this mean for you? Whether you're a developer, content creator, business owner, or simply an everyday user, AI is no longer something we're preparing for. It's already shaping how we live and work, from your inbox to your Android device to the way you search. Gemini and Google's AI stack are becoming everyday tools. And if you'd like to support this channel and help us keep covering these major shifts, you can now use the thanks button just below the video. But more than anything, this moment marks a shift, and it's worth asking, what comes next? So that's a wrap on the major announcements from Google I/O 2025. Google is going all in on AI, integrating it deeper than ever before into everything from Search and Workspace to the very core of Android. Project Astra for me was a real standout, painting a vivid picture of what truly interactive and aware AI assistants could look like. But the power of Gemini 1.5 Pro and its massive context window also opens up so many possibilities. It's a lot to take in, but undeniably exciting times for tech. This year's Google I/O made it clear. AI is no longer optional, it's foundational. Now, I'm curious to hear your take. What are you most excited about from Google I/O 2025? Is it the real-time capabilities of Project Astra, the deep integration of Gemini into the apps you use daily, or perhaps the potential of Android 16 as an AI-native OS? Let me know your thoughts and which announcements caught your eye the most down in the comments section below. I'll be reading through them and joining the discussion. And hey, if this breakdown helped you get a clearer picture of Google's AI ambitions and what's launching right now, definitely hit that like button. It helps out the channel. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on, because we'll be doing more deep dives and hopefully some hands-on demos with these new AI tools and features right here on the AI Prosperity Hub. This video is also available with subtitles in multiple languages. Just turn them on from the settings to follow along in your preferred language. Thanks, as always, for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.